Hello everyone, Windroid here and welcome back to another video. Today we have something truly exciting for all you thrill seekers and outdoor enthusiasts. We're diving into the rugged and feature-packed Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update from Windroid. Calling all adventurers, the Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport is here to be your ultimate companion on every journey. This isn't just any fitness tracker, it's a tough and reliable smartwatch built to withstand the harshest conditions. First up, let's talk about durability. The Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport features a super strong aircraft-grade titanium body that can handle anything you throw at it. Plus, the scratch-resistant sapphire glass screen protects both the front and back, so you can focus on exploring without worrying about damaging your watch. No more squinting at your watch in the midday sun. The vibrant AMOLED display is 1.43 inches wide and boasts an incredible 2200 nits of peak brightness. This means you'll always have a clear view of your stats, whether you're scaling a mountain or deep in the woods. Water lovers rejoice. With a 5 ATM water resistance rating, the Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport can take a dunk in up to 50 meters of water. But for serious divers, it gets even better. The watch is also EN 13319 certified, meaning you can confidently explore the underwater world at depths of up to 40 meters. Getting lost is a thing of the past. The Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport has a built-in GPS that uses 5 different satellite systems for superior accuracy. Whether you're hiking a new trail or biking through the city, you'll always know exactly where you are. Xiaomi has teamed up with Suunto, a leader in professional outdoor sports equipment, to bring you the ultimate training experience. The Watch S4 Sport tracks everything from your daily workouts to your long-term training plans, giving you valuable insights to help you reach your fitness goals faster. No matter your favorite outdoor activity, the Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport has a workout mode for it. From rock climbing and mountaineering to cycling and swimming, the watch tracks your progress in detail so you can see how you're improving. But it's not just about fitness. The Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport also keeps an eye on your heart rate and blood oxygen levels, giving you a complete picture of your overall health. Plus, it tracks your sleep, stress levels, and even offers guided breathing exercises to help you relax and recover. Forget lugging your phone around on adventures. The Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport supports eSIM, so you can make and receive calls directly from your wrist. You can also pair the watch with your smartphone to get notifications, use apps, and more. Battery life is always a concern with smartwatches, but the Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport won't let you down. The powerful battery lasts up to 15 days on a single charge, with typical use in Bluetooth mode. Even with the LTE version and heavy use, you'll still get a solid 3.5 days on a single charge. The Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport comes with a variety of stylish and comfortable straps to choose from. Whether you prefer a sporty silicone strap or a sleek Milanese loop, there's a perfect option to match your style. Now let's talk about availability. The Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport is currently only available in China, and it's unclear when or if it will be sold elsewhere, and the price might also be a deciding factor, especially for the version with the titanium Milanese strap. Another thing to consider is how eSIM affects battery life, particularly with LTE. If long battery life is your priority, the Bluetooth version might be a better choice. The Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport is a promising option in the rugged smartwatch market. It's built tough, has advanced features for outdoor enthusiasts, and offers impressive battery life, making it a great choice for those who need top performance in tough conditions. While we wait for international release and pricing details, the Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport certainly sets the stage for a new generation of smartwatches. So what do you think of the Xiaomi Watch S4 Sport? Is it worth buying? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.